having a proclamation, which means that the Navy Command, the Army Command, and the school come together. We sign it, and it's basically a contract that we're all working together. We're partnerships to support all incoming, outgoing military children. And then it's just the month to celebrate them. These children are also going through the stress, emotions of going to new places and continuing to support the mission for their parents.